Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add variants in Shopify in 2025. So if you sell the products with different sizes, colors or styles, variants can let the customers choose exactly what they want. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on shopify.com. Then you need to log in into your account in order to access your Shopify dashboard. Over here, simply go to the option of products here in the left hand side. After that, select the option of all product. Now you are going to see the list of all of the products that are available on your Shopify store. So you will have to click on that particular product which you want to add your variants to. After that, you just have to scroll down a bit and you need to keep on scrolling down until you find this variants section over here on this page. You can also press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard and you can search for variants in order to find it here on this page. Now, once you see the variants section, you will have to click on the option of add options like size or color. After that, you will have to select which option you want to add here. For example, let's say you want to differentiate your products based on the colors. So simply select the option of color. After that, you will have to click on the option of add color. Then you can select the color options which are available for this particular product that you have. So after adding one color, simply click on the option of done. Then you can add further options like the size of that particular product. So you can click on the option of size, then you can add the size from the given list. After that, click on the option of done. Now you can add as many colors as you want and you can add as many sizes and other elements you want. So once you are done with it, make sure that you click on the option of save here on the top right hand corner of the screen in order to save your changes. And this way you will be able to add variants in Shopify. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.